In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix WordPress miss schedule error, and it's a step-by-step guide. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and how to create an online business. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. So currently I'm using Bluehost for my WordPress website, one of the best web hosting for WordPress. They give you a free domain, free SSL, and it's very simple to install WordPress, and I have a 70% discount. The link is down below. But today something happened to me where I was getting this error because I tried to schedule a lot of posts. So this is my WordPress website. So I'm going to show you one very simple and easy fix. Don't have to be complicated. So as you could see, this is my WordPress website. I have a lot of posts. So I was getting this error where it was saying me miss schedule, because as you could see in my schedule there are 42 posts which are scheduled. So one very simple solution was I installed this plugin. Don't have to make changes in the cron jobs, don't have to do nothing. It's much better that you just install this plugin and don't make it complicated for yourself. Make your life easy. So the one thing which I installed was schedule post trigger. Okay, so it's a free plugin. You just have to install it and activate it, and the way you install it is, so just go on plugins, add new. Okay, just go over there, just type schedule post trigger, just install and activate. That's it guys, you don't have to do any settings, and this is how you fix this error called miss schedule. And that's it for today's video. If you really like the video, please consider subscribing, and Yavar Khan signing off.